Don't still down with that anchor, hey?
Nah,
Nah.
it gets oi.
Deal.
That was on the verge of breaking that rod then. He wouldn't anyway, man.
Nothing too hard.
He thinks
wouldn't
it's Rex.
wind up.
Says it Rex or Rex.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hang on to the rod, man.
I got him.
Good arms, good hands, bro. Good hands.
My goodness, no.
Alright, stop whining! Boy! Free spool, free spool. Free spool, mate. Need this over the rail, bro.
There he is.
Colour.
Yeah, nice, King. Don't lift him out.
Don't lift, just here. I'm gonna back the drag off a little bit. I'm gonna try and go get him in here. Get in front of here for a sec.
Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah! That's the shit!
Fucking oath.
He's not
Careful,
happy,
big hook.
is he?
You fucking wrecked him, man. Hey, he's still green as.
He is.
Give me some skin.
Fuck yeah.
From 6 bait. Let's go, bro. Fucking wreck him, mate.
Language,
Fucking
language.
Rex, mate.
Children on board.
Sorry, man.
That's alright. And I'm filming, by the way.
Sorry.
That's alright.
You wrecked him then, eh? See, he's so green.
He's fucking
You
wrecked
smashed
me,
him.
Don't get many Kingies come on like that.
Sorry, man.
That's a kingfish.
That's a kingy.
As opposed to the other one. That looked very
Amberjack,
similar.
yep.
It looked very similar.
Yeah, fish on at the back there.